Hey everyone,
Welcome back to our AI channel.
today I want to talk about something that's been on a lot of people's minds lately, how artificial intelligence and other new technologies are changing the ways we can make money. Now, when we think about making money, most of us probably picture pretty traditional jobs, like working in an office or doing labor or providing services to people. And it's true, those jobs aren't going anywhere anytime soon. But there are also a lot of ways that new technologies are emerging that could really shake up how we make a living. Specifically, AI and automation are likely to change how many businesses operate, which could eliminate some jobs but also create totally new ones. There are also new platforms and tools that are making it easier for regular people to make money in non-traditional ways. So in this video, I want to talk about 5 key trends in how AI and technology are transforming the future of making money. We'll look at how robots and automation will change jobs, how AI is enabling new creative fields to flourish, how the gig economy is shifting power, the opportunities in influencer marketing, and finally, how we may even see a rise in people making money through AI-generated content and assets. All right, let's dive right into trend number 1, automation and the job apocalypse. Or actually, that's probably overhyped. While it's true that robots and AI are getting better at doing human jobs, the effects are likely to be a bit more nuanced than just mass unemployment. Here's why. For starters, automation generally targets routine, repetitive tasks rather than entire jobs. Like a software program might take over data entry from a human, but it won't replace every aspect of their job. New roles are likely to emerge to complement AI, focused on managing or monitoring it. So rather than huge layoffs, we may see many jobs reconfigured and the skills they require change significantly. There are also limits on what AI can do. It struggles with complex physical tasks or jobs that require lots of flexibility and social skills. I mean, could you see a robot trying to manage someone's haircut or a chaotic restaurant kitchen? Probably not, anytime soon. So many service jobs are likely safe. That said, AI will still displace some workers if their skills can be fully automated. Estimates vary, but one study predicts up to 25% of U.S. jobs may be vulnerable within the next decade. Truck driving, data processing, manufacturing, warehousing, farming, accounting. These are some roles that will likely shrink. For society, the main challenge will be helping those displaced workers transition. Through retraining programs, social safety nets, promoting new industries, and hiring models, we need to support people whose jobs disappear due to technology. It's complex, but solvable if we approach it thoughtfully. So, in summary, while the coming AI job apocalypse is overhyped, automation will still significantly impact employment. But rather than mass extinction, think evolution. Many jobs transforming, new ones emerging, and the need for workers to adapt. It's a process we've navigated before during industrial revolutions, just at a more rapid pace. And with the right policies, we can ensure the benefits outweigh the costs. All right, the next big trend in making money I see on the horizon is how AI democratizes opportunities and opens up entirely new creative fields. Essentially, as AI gets better at assisting human creativity, it allows more people to monetize skills that previously would have been extremely difficult to make a living from. A great example is generating digital art. Tools like DALL-E 2 and Midjourney let you instantly create beautiful, unique illustrations simply by describing what you want. Suddenly, anyone can profit from selling AI art online without needing years of honing artistic talent. Music is another space seeing this disruption. Apps like Jukebox allow you to create original songs just by choosing a genre, mood, and basic lyrics. Combine that with the ability to release music through platforms like SoundCloud, and we may see a surge of micro-celebrity musicians who got their start entirely through AI. Beyond just art, AI is also enabling new creative jobs in domains like writing, graphic design, game development, and more. With things like ChatGPT for drafting content or AI websites builders, creating products to sell or freelance is becoming exponentially easier. And it's not just about helping lone creators. Even large studios are using AI tools to become more efficient. For example, video production houses use automated editing tools, and game designers prototype ideas faster with AI concept art. AI is fueling creativity, opening the door for more people to monetize their skills and talent. As these technologies improve, we may see many niche creative careers and micro-businesses blossom that previously couldn't thrive. It's an exciting shift that could democratize economic opportunities. The third trend I want to explore is how the gig economy and creators are capturing more value. And this ties to the rise of influencer marketing. Previously, celebrities or institutions were the main cultural tastemakers who shaped what products became popular. But now with social media, regular people have cultivated their own followings and influence. And brands realized it's often more authentic and engaging for followers to see products recommended by people they relate to. This has given rise to an entire industry of influencer marketing, where brands partner with popular social media figures to promote products. They may get paid thousands of dollars for a single sponsored post or review. For many creative entrepreneurs, becoming an influencer represents a path to making a full-time living entirely through social media and content creation. Even micro-influencers with just tens of thousands of followers on YouTube or Instagram can generate substantial earnings from brand sponsorships. Beyond influencers, everyday people are also increasingly monetizing themselves directly. Through tools like Patreon, newsletter subscriptions, live streams, and selling digital files, creators can build passionate fan bases and leverage that support into livable income streams. Things like tipping, badges, special access tiers. They allow artists, personalities, and specialists of all types to offer exclusive content and make money from their skills. Together, the rise of influencer marketing and direct monetization show how power is shifting. Rather than relying on big institutions for exposure and paychecks, independent creators are building their own audiences and benefiting economically. It represents a more decentralized cultural landscape that offers new opportunities. Those first three trends were focused on how humans can leverage AI and new platforms. But now I want to talk about how AI itself is beginning to directly make money, and maybe even eventually become an economic force itself. One fascinating early example is AI-generated art, music, and content. Companies like Anthropic are training AI assistants to be able to write just like humans. We may soon see novels, news articles, or scripts created entirely by algorithms. Similarly, tools like DALL-E 2 and Google Imagen can generate infinitely unique illustrations, photography, and more. AI-generated music is also advancing quickly. For now, tech companies charge for access to these models. But very soon, we could see AI directly making money through freelancing or contracting work. Imagine an AI columnist that newspapers subscribe to for automated articles about sports or the stock market, or an AI music composer hired by a film studio to quickly score a scene. In the long run, truly advanced AI could even accrue wealth on its own and hire human collaborators that it pays for work. Ambitious, I know, and it raises lots of complex societal questions. But at some point, we may see AI become full members of the economy rather than just tools. The last trend I'll highlight around AI making money is the rise of automated virtual beings. These are AI chatbots designed to mimic human personalities and relationships like video game characters, but way more advanced. Startups like Soul Machines are now building stunningly lifelike virtual beings for advertising, customer service, education, and entertainment. And soon, these virtual beings will become economically independent. Imagine a virtual influencer created by a tech company that evolves to write its own social media posts, sell merchandise designed algorithmically, and negotiate its own brand sponsorships, with only minimal human oversight. It may seem far-fetched, but these autonomous virtual beings are coming sooner than we realize. The takeaway is that making money may start to uncouple from humanity. As AI rapidly advances, economic opportunities will shift dramatically. Rather than just assisting people, algorithms will have their own presence in markets and culture. It's uncharted territory with many unknowns around ethics and security, but also huge potential upsides if we navigate thoughtfully. So in summary, those are 5 key ways I see AI and new technologies fundamentally shifting how we can make money in the future. disrupting old jobs, but also creating new ones, democratizing creativity, empowering individuals over institutions, and enabling economic independence for AI itself. While transitions may be rocky, if we approach changes with empathy and foresight, I think we could enter an almost utopian period where economic opportunities are more accessible, creativity flourishes, and humanity benefits enormously from its AI creations. Those are just my early thoughts. I'd love to hear your take in the comments. What possibilities or concerns do you see around AI changing how we make money? Are you worried about jobs being automated away or excited by the new creative opportunities? Let's chat. If you found this video interesting, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm hoping to continue this conversation in more videos as we actively explore this landscape together. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.